Like, everybody who's been here longer than 5 years, I think has one at least once.
Yeah. Jeremiah just got his. Jeremiah just got his.
History Day. A little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Hang on tightly, Boo.
We'll save you, Piglet!
First the wind, and now this.
Goodness gracious.
I'm gonna bounce the tiger. Hello! What a wonderful dream.
Wake up, Boo. Wake up. Wake up, Boo.
Oh boy, it's your birthday.
It's time for your party, Boo. Hooray! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Hooray! Happy birthday!
Hooray!
These are all for you, Pooh Bear.
Look at all those presents!
If you don't like my present, I'll take it back.